Psalm 98 mandates we sing to the Lord a new song in thanksgiving for God's history of doing marvelous things, for his salvation revealed to the nations, for his love and faithfulness. It is imperative to sing new songs because God is constantly doing new things among us. God is worthy of our praise because God is good all the time. Referring to Psalm 98, he continues, this text dreams that when God rules in the life of the earth, lyre and trumpets and horns, accompanied by mixed choruses of singers, will make a great noise together.